House Snem kat praspa prapway hapdeng ki lum balatap da ki ding se ya ka sor Shillong kalami ka wei karai na ki borsin shar jong ka Sorkar Phareng ban pin sawa ya ka wei ka sur kata ban ai jing nang jing start ru ya ki khun Kynthei Deha ka lai tarik jong banai leber jong Snem kat praspa prapway bala pli ya ka jing khang ban sedang ya ka slam ai jing hikai hapo ka jing lam jong ka headmistress ka ban ningkong ka miss e godiu ka bada thrang shisha ban wanra ya ka jing kala Kajing wan jong jumai ba house Snem kat praspa khnai phunyo kalawan ra ek jing do nong hakani ka school hnrei kajing kot jing mot ban wan ra ek jing kala kam sham la yap na ki nong panya badai house Snem kat khandai spa hapo kajing panya jong ka miss miles ka ba don da ki jing tho ka ba pen I balas dang biang ban ai ya kajing hikai da ka men sim ka bar hem shaki khna ka ba house Snem kat khandai spa khandai pu at lala ban kentiu shaka class 12 ka bangila la ban sakhi pat hadu man tau Snem arjar arpusan bakane ka school kayo ban rakhi ya kajing dap shispa arpusan Snem kajing rakhi kala sawa de ki khana shapang kajing minot bat kajing sarong ki jing kan mau bat ki mau jam namar ba kajaka Pule kala la ban le ya ka ba bhatam ka ba donru da ki jia thu khana bat ki jing tho hakate kajing ya lang ka ba kraw ban rakhi ya kajing dap shispa arpusan Snem usambut menteri rangba ka jilla uba preston tensong ulalong ko mu kongsan ka ba ulak do ban pen sngo ba yamanta ka ni ka school ka dan haka kerdan ka ba arpulai na pedeng ki school ba pau nam juga ri India bat ka yen kum ka telong ban wanra ka buram ya ka jilla barok away
125th years is not at all a joke. And I'm so profoundly delighted to know that Pine Mount School is the only school from Meghalaya and very few from northeastern states who can reach to the standard of 23 position. 23rd position out of 800 very high profile institution in the country. Again, it is matter of pride. Thank you so much, Pine Mount School. You raised the standard and the image of Meghalaya. It is because of you. In a lighter note, the same way like our Honorable Education Minister said, I would have loved to be also passed out from Pine Mount School. I would have. Please understand one thing. Management authority, please know that this is the only government-run school. You maintain the standard national. With due respect, when we talk about any government institution, we are always in the last grade. Forget about the middle. We are always in the last grade. Thank God, Pine Mount School, you are pride of Meghalaya.
Hakajuk sngi lala ban yo iru ik jingwan shimanta jong ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district ka kong Rosetta Mary Korba ka bala long kum ka khna Pule barim jong ka Pine Mount ka bala pen paru ya ka jing ya lanti jong ka na ki kamra class ba pher hadu bakan dan ka kardan ka ba kham halor
It's so nice to come back to school and all memories and to see that the school have attained 125 years and to be part of it is something which very few of us can be part of it. I thank the school for inviting all of us, for giving us a chance to be with the entire school fraternity to have this day and to really be part of the celebration, the opening of the this whole year till December, the centenary, right, 125th year. I was here till the batch of 83. Yeah, I was here from class 6. Yeah. There's a lot of changes. First thing, as you can see right in front of us, was is the dormitory which we were staying there. It was an SM type. It was very old, and we thank the government for retaining the design and keeping the aesthetics of the school, and for not coming up with concrete building, so to say, which goes with time. But as you can see, that this is something which we all look forward as alumni, that we retain the structure of the at least aesthetics of the school. Thanks.
Kani ka school ka I class Naduh kindergarten hadu class 12 but ka dan ka so but ka Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations CISCE. Menta kilinti ya jong ka school Pine Mount ki sawa tang da ki jing rakhi jong ki khana Kynthei Henry da ki den jat jong ki por ki bala let no namar ka wei pa ka wei ka kanro ka kit ya ki khana kham tam bakala long ka sharak na ka banta ka jing Pule jong ki khana Kynthei hakathan chatai lammi ngi jongari India.
The 125 years journey is a very long journey, right? Very, very long. And we have seen, we have traveled through the different decades, and we have seen the development of Pine Mount School. So as you have seen, we have started with just a few students. Now we have 1,700 students, all right? And then we have also, before we had from the KG to class 10. But in 92 it was upgraded to 11 and 12, and then now we have an intake of 90 students in the class 11-12, and then the number of students keep increasing. Okay, it keeps increasing. Everything has everything about the school has changed, and everything about the school has been upgraded, and we are working very hard. Actually, teachers are also working tirelessly, because as you can see, in the if you will see the ICSE results and the ISC results, we always have 100% passed, all right, 100%. We never used to have failures except for the COVID batch, of course. So we are very, very happy. Because why? Because this only shows that teachers work tirelessly, selflessly, and students also as well. And then we always get good results. If we calculate the real age of the school, it is more than 125 years. But the records which were previous to 1900, they were actually all destroyed because of the earthquake, as well as because of the fire. Because before, this school had belonged to the English Anglican Church. So there was a big fire. During that time also, a lot of documents were destroyed. Then because of the earthquake also, a lot of documents were destroyed. So it was again established in 1900. So we had to take the 1900 to 2025. Alright, so it is 100. In the 1800, as I told you, the records were not. But these documents, we are not being able to prove them, because everything is lost, as I told you.
Kadba ka school Pine Mount kadang pet chakalaway ka jing rakhi kala long kum ka jing buram ya kiten rai history jongka but kum ka jing kular ban beteng ban pen roy ya ka jing tebet haka Pule Puthi ban pen wandur ya ka jela haki babon kiliang.
Yes, 1940s, yes. And when my parents were travelling, because my father was chief secretary, then we used to come.
Hi, my name is Barbara John. Some of you may remember me as Barbara Shaw. I was in Pine Mount from 1956 to 67, and I had wonderful memories of my years in school. It's the only school I ever went to. And some of those memories date back from the time I was a boarder, right from the kindergarten years, and the sharing and caring, the going for the early morning walk.
See what I found in my father's cupboard, my old Pine Mount coat. He had kept it treasured inside his cupboard, and I got it only after he died. But I have kept it very happily inside my cupboard too. I cherish these memories of Pine Mount, the school, the teachers.
devastating earthquake of 1897, the school crumbled down, and hence here we are witnessing the school after the earthquake. What we will witness here is the presentation of the records of the school after it was rebuilt in 1903. The first structure that you see here is called the main building. It had dormitories, rooms for the matron, housekeeper, it had the kitchen for the boarders, dining room, music room, and also a classroom for class 11, that is the senior Cambridge. This is the original blueprint of the school. And this is the black and white version of the blueprint. Looking at the layout of the school according to the original plan, Pine Mount had several acres of land.
Ritual. The Nokma leads everyone to the grand yard of his homestead even as he continues to dance.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya